Good afternoon, ladies and gents. How are you doing today? Well, I'm doing just fine. We've got a bit of a quarantine situation. Seems as though one of the employees has got COVID. Oh no. So we're stuck in our rooms. Well, that's not so bad for me because I'm pretty well stuck in my room, but it has an effect on my roommate, so he's in here too. So he gets to listen to me ramble on, and a feat which is Superman strength of his to keep from talking to me. It's 93 degrees out there right now, and I don't know exactly what the high is. I'm going to find out for you here in just a minute or two, because you might want to know. Okay. Our expected high will be 96 degrees. And then on Tuesday, it will be 93 degrees for a high, 67 for a low. On Wednesday, 96 for a high and 74 for a low. And then Thursday, as I said, it goes back up to 106, 79 for a low, and Friday 107. So we'll be back in the cooker, and Saturday it's 105 and Sunday it's 105 again. So we're going to have some strenuous days ahead, but at least we've got till Thursday before we hit the 106. So get out and get things done, because you've got till Wednesday before it gets real hot again. I say get out and get things done. Shoot, maybe you just want to take a little time off for yourself and just lay around. Get that old couch, get to knowing that old couch again, like you missed it. Also, I had to send Mr. Barometer back. It wasn't doing me any good. So I'm going to have to read you Mr. Barometer from my weather station. And so, let me see if I can find Mr. Barometer. Mr. Barometer is at 30.03 inches of mercury, and our visibility is 9.3 miles. Humidity is 48%, and wind is 14 miles per hour out of the south. So there, now you know as much as I do. Denton is 95 degrees. Pilot Point is 93 degrees. For those in Pilot Point that care to listen to me drone on about how warm or not warm it is. So, it's been a pretty good day so far for us. We were both tested, me and my roommate were both tested for COVID, and we came back negative, and that was a plus. So let's see if the NOAA weather station will give us any kind of information. I've already knocked off 1 glass of ice water. I don't want to knock off 2. Yes, I knocked off a glass of ice water, and it just barely missed my power strip. And that would have been a electrocuting experience, because those power strips do not like water. So let's see what we got with Mr. Weather Radio.
Sunday, sunny, hot with highs 100 to 105. Heat index values up to 105. The hazardous weather outlook through tonight for North Texas. Dangerously hot conditions will continue near and south of Interstate 20 this afternoon. Thunderstorms may accompany the weak cold front as it moves through central Texas this afternoon and evening. Some of the storms could be strong to severe, with strong winds the main threat. The threat for wildfires will remain elevated across the entire region today. Spotter activation is not expected at this time. And now the hazardous weather outlook for Tuesday through Sunday. Hot and dry conditions will return late week with triple-digit heat and high heat index values each afternoon. Heat illness risk will remain high through this period. Elevated to critical fire weather conditions will also be a concern each day due to hot, dry, and breezy conditions. The ultraviolet index forecast for August 15th is 10, or very high. The current time is 1:24 p.m. Central Daylight Time. You are listening to NOAA All Hazards Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service, station KHA 99, serving the Munster and Gainesville listening area. The following reports of weather temperature and wind were made at 1 p.m. Gainesville, sunny, 89, dew point 67, relative humidity 49%, wind north at 13, gusting to 25, pressure 30.10 inches and falling. Boyd, sunny, 87, dew point 68, relative humidity 52%, wind north at 10, gusting to 17, pressure 30.12 inches and falling. Bridgeport, sunny, 93, northeast at 13. Decatur, sunny, 92, north at 7, gusting to 20. Denton, sunny, 94, north at 10, gusting to 22. Sherman Denison, sunny, 91, north at 14, gusting to 21. Ardmore, sunny, 86, north at 13, gusting to 22. Elsewhere around the region, DFW Airport, mostly sunny, 98, heat index 105, north at 18, gusting to 24. Wichita Falls, mostly sunny, 88, north at 22. Oklahoma City, mostly sunny, 79, north at 13. Paris, sunny, 95, heat index 102, northwest at 10. Now let's check on your local forecast for the Gainesville listening area. This afternoon, sunny. Not as warm with highs in the lower 90s. North winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Tonight, mostly clear. Cooler with lows in the upper 60s. North winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Tuesday, sunny. Highs in the lower 90s. North winds 5 to 10 miles an hour.
Okay, we pretty much got what it said we had. We've got north winds are blowing. That means temperature's coming down for a little while, ladies and gentlemen. And it'll be a good time to get out and get something done. So I thank you for joining me this afternoon, and I hope to have a new barometer any day now. Thank you, and God be with you. God look after you. And you have a great day. Thanks for joining me. Goodbye.